Hi guys, my name's Brogan and I'm a customer success representative here at Vevox, and I'm going to be showing you our open text poll. So first of all, how to create the poll, you go to create new, and on this drop down here, you select the text poll here. So using a text poll such as this really encourages open-ended answers and gets your audience talking and interacting more. So an example would be, what steps will you take to reach your next goal? So with the open text poll, you can, if you want to, select a correct answer. However, for my example, I'm not going to be doing that. So now we have made that, we're going to press create here, and now we can present that in the full screen. So if we have a look at our first open text poll, what steps will you take to reach your next goal? So this is a really good poll type as well for scenario-based learning. So for example, here's a scenario, what would you do or how would you approach this? And the nice thing again about this poll type is you've got up to 2,000 characters, so participants can really kind of express how they're feeling and answer the question in depth. Another one, so do you have any feedback following today's session? So this could work quite well in a group scenario, and you can kind of really gather everyone's thoughts and opinions, and you can look back at this after the session if you want to as well, kind of gather that data. This poll type is a really good way to allow you to collect open-end responses from students. In this way, it can really help promote sort of inter-peer learning. So you could look at someone's response, open that up, and then sort of create discussion for everyone else. So that is all from me today. Please like and subscribe for more helpful Vevox tips and tricks. Thank you very much.